VAIOT's VAI tokens are regulated as virtual financial assets under Maltese law. Understanding that VAI is a virtual financial asset that is issued by VAIOT, the virtual financial asset issuer, is key to understanding the nature of its existence. Since VAIOT's inception, the VAI token has had its future laid out, by law no less. Under the VFA Act, a VFA issued by a VFA issuer must have its token utility and purpose clearly stated in the white paper. Not only that, but the VFA issuer, VAIOT in our case, is also required by law to carry out that intended purpose outlined there. Over the past 5 years, we here at VAIOT have been devoted to bringing our AI vision to the world. As is stated in the Virtual Financial Assets Act itself, matters to be specified in a white paper of an issuer and requirements for its approval and publication. The white paper shall contain the information which, according to the particular nature of the issuer and of the virtual financial assets offered to the public, is necessary to enable investors to make an informed assessment of the prospects of the issuer, the proposed project, and of the features of the virtual financial asset. This information shall be presented in an easily analyzable and comprehensible form. To understand the VAI token, you must understand its regulated status. From understanding its regulated status, you may then understand the upcoming use cases of the token. Today, as we move closer to the release of the AI Legal Assistant, we aim to help clearly lay out both of these concepts so that the market, our community, and future users have a firm grasp of the past and future of the VAI token. In the last 5 years, VAIOT and its VAI token have developed into a matured, organized, and efficiently functioning digital asset looking to and poised to disrupt the legal services market. In this series, we look to shed some light on the history and use cases of the VAI token. Included down below is our white paper, as well as the VFA Act that you, at your own leisure, may go through so you can understand the mission laid out by VAIOT, which has been approved by Maltese authorities. Let's jump into the regulatory overview. Virtual financial asset means any form of digital medium recordation that is used as digital medium or exchange, unit of account, or store of value, and that is not electronic money, financial instrument, or a virtual token. VAIOT was the first ever project to be regulated under the Virtual Financial Assets Act, or VFA Act. According to the VFA Act, our company, the project, and the token offering itself were audited several times, verified and approved by Grant Thornton and the Malta Financial Services Authority, or MFSA. We purposely chose a regulated environment to provide our investors with necessary security. Under the definitions of the Act, a cryptocurrency or token may be classified as a virtual financial asset, or VFA, and the Act provides a comprehensive set of rules that will both protect consumers and support the growth of the industry and its stakeholders. The Act outlines stringent requirements for those who are launching cryptocurrencies and tokens. You may ask, why Malta? Malta was the first country in Europe with a clear regulatory framework for blockchain projects in 2018, which was the year of VAIOT's company's incorporation. As we always wanted to be fully transparent with our community and provide a proof of us being a legitimate project, Malta was definitely the way to go. The Malta Financial Services Authority, or MFSA, devised the Virtual Financial Assets Framework to support innovation and new technologies for financial services in the area of crypto assets, whilst ensuring effective investor protection, financial market integrity, and financial stability. In the words of Grant Thornton, our VFA agent, virtual tokens, or utility tokens, are distributed ledger technology, or DLT, assets which have no utility, value, or application outside of the DLT platform on which they are issued, and may only be redeemed for funds on the platform directly by the issuer of the DLT asset. To put it simply, the DLT platform is where the utility of the asset is realized, thus the value and application follow that initial purpose. The token has no utility outside of the platform, but retains value outside of the platform. The VFA Act requires issuers to list the token on a digital assets exchange so that it may be accessible to the public. In short, the VAI token, by nature of its creation, only exists to support the VAI ecosystem and act as yet another part of the collection of tools, protocols, and technology VAI is using in order to bring our AI assistants to the world. With that said, there are several token use cases stated in our white paper that are key factors in the overall development of VAIOT both in the short and long term. Join us in our next video for a rundown of these use cases and what they mean for the upcoming release of the AI legal assistant and you. Stay tuned, VAIOTers.